So visibility is kind of like the lifeblood of your business because without visibility, you're not going to be able to build a brand that is memorable, a brand that positions you as an expert. You won't be able to send traffic to your offers. And when I say visibility, that's Facebook ads, that's organic marketing and all that. And of course, if you're not visible, if you're not sending traffic, you won't be able to sell anything. And in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to create a visibility tracker with the help of ChatGPT. And this, what I'm going to show you now, is part of a big training that I did, a big workshop that I did for members of the AI School of Business the other day. And we actually mapped out our 2024. And if you want to get your business enhanced with AI next year and beyond, just click on the link below that says join AI School of Business, and I'll see you in the community. Now, let me show you. Okay, so we have two prompts that we're going to feed into ChatGPT. The very first one is we're going to share all the visibility activities that we're going to do on a weekly basis. And we're going to start with a week because it's just easier to get the proper result from ChatGPT. So we're going to say, please create a text-based weekly schedule in a table format based on these activities. And then you're going to open a quotation mark and you're going to put where you see all the yellow highlighted stuff, you're going to put your weekly activities for the things that you're going to do every single week for visibility. And then you're going to close your quotation marks. In my case, I review my Facebook ads on Monday. Then I engage daily. I send friend requests usually 5 times a week. And my social media content is 5 times a week. I'm doing short form videos, 1 YouTube video, 1 value bomb video, social media text post 3 times a week, and carousel post 3 times a week. So in here, you are going to put exactly the things you do. And then we're going to give it some instructions. We're going to say create an abbreviation for each activity, include a legend to decipher abbreviations used for each activity. Create a detailed calendar in a table format, and the calendar should include each row represents each day of the week and each column represents each separate activity. And then we're going to copy and paste that. Now, all these templates, they are available if you are a member of the AI School of Business. So if you want them, definitely click the link below and I'll see you in the community. So we're going to paste that into ChatGPT. And the very first thing we want to see is a correct table. As you can see, first it's abbreviating and giving us the legend for the abbreviations. So we can actually decipher what these abbreviations are up the top for each activity. And then it's going to create the table. Creating the table for the week is super, super quick. It only takes a couple of minutes, not even that. But we're already on Thursday, so I'm going to wait until we get to Sunday, and then we're going to go and start with the second prompt. Okay, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's great. So it seems like it has included everything as per my instructions here. So I'm going to go back. Our second prompt is actually, we want to start creating a schedule for each month. So we're going to start with January. And we're going to say, based on this weekly schedule, so based on this table, create a text-based monthly schedule in table format for January 2024. And then I'm going to say, ensure that it's a complete calendar without omitted or skipped days. Now, ChatGPT seems to get lazy every now and then, and it will either give you just the first week and then it will say, oh, you do this every single week for the month, or it will give you the first, say, 7 to 10 days, and then it's kind of gonna forget the rest of the days, and then it's going to give you the last day. It doesn't do it all the time, but sometimes it does it. That's why I say that. And even though I say that, it still doesn't do it sometimes. But it's better to give it as many instructions as you can, hoping that it will follow these instructions. If it does not follow your instructions, and we're going to see what's going to happen here, you are just going to go back and say, hey, I actually asked for the whole month. Can you please fix it? Basically. And it seems like it's doing great. And if it doesn't omit, I'm just going to fast forward this part of the video so we don't have to sit and wait for ChatGPT to do the whole 31 days. Okay, it followed my instructions perfectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this table from here, and I'm going to open Google Sheets, or if you want to open Excel, and all I'm going to do is paste it in here. And I'm going to generally put here this tab as January, so I know. Then all you need to do is change the month here and run this second prompt 12 times from January to till December, and open a new tab every single time and paste the new month in there. And then when it's time to start tracking, every day, every evening, you're going to come and you're going to open your Google Sheet, and you're going to have a look. Did I do this activity? Yes, I did. And I'm going to make this cross green. Now, sometimes ChatGPT creates it with check marks. It doesn't matter how it indicates when the activity is supposed to be done. But then we'll be like, oh, did I do this? No, I kind of didn't. Did I do this? No, I didn't. And you're going to do this every single day for the whole month. And then when you open up your calendar, or your tracker, sorry, on the last month, you will start seeing some patterns. You will see the things that you do religiously every single time you have to do them, and the things that you're kind of avoiding. You're avoiding, most of the time. And then you will see what you need to focus on, and that way you'll be able to eventually have everything in green. I hope this helps you. And once again, if you are interested in implementing AI in your business, make sure to check out the AI School of Business.